Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to merge different shapefiles or layers in one. So let's begin. As you can see, these states are in different layers and these are not one file or one layer. So what we can do, just go to Arc Toolbox, click on Data Management Tools, click on General, click on Merge, select all the layers you wanted to merge. You can select these files from this drop down one by one, or what you can do, you can go to this folder and select file from here. Now suppose I wanted to remove all these, and select from here and click on this. You can cross check, then output location. Here you can see India.shp, India.shp. Save. Okay. Okay. So what is the error here now? They have tables also. See? So that I have to remove. Okay. See? Instead of these, we have one one file with us. So this is how merge works. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Supreme GIS. Thank you.